Structure of learning any programming language. Learning a programming language effectively usually involves several key stages and components. Here's a structured approach to help guide you through the process. 1. Understand the basics like syntax and semantics. Learn the basic syntax and semantics of the language. This includes understanding variables, data types, operators, and basic structures like loops and conditionals. 2. Hello World. Start with a simple, Hello World program to get familiar with the development environment and how to run your code. 3. Learn fundamental concepts like control structures. Understand how to use if-else statements, loops, for, while, and switch cases. Data structures. Learn about arrays, lists, dictionaries, sets, and other data structures provided by the language. Functions, methods. Study how to define and call functions or methods, understand parameters, return values, and scope. 4. Dive deeper into language features like object-oriented programming, OOP. If the language supports OOP, learn about classes, objects, inheritance, polymorphism, and encapsulation. Error handling. Understand how to handle errors and exceptions using try-catch blocks or similar constructs. File I/O. Learn how to read from and write to files. 5. Explore advanced topics like algorithms and data structures. Study common algorithms, sorting, searching, and data structures, trees, graphs, and understand how to implement them in the language. Concurrency, parallelism. If applicable, learn about threads, asynchronous programming, and managing concurrent tasks. Libraries and frameworks. Familiarize yourself with popular libraries or frameworks associated with the language. 6. Practical application like build projects. Start working on small projects to apply what you've learned. This could be anything from a simple calculator to a web application. Contribute to open source. Consider contributing to open source projects to gain real-world experience and collaborate with other developers. 7. Refinement and optimization like code review. Review and refactor your code to improve efficiency, readability, and maintainability. Performance tuning. Learn how to optimize your code for performance and understand profiling tools to identify bottlenecks. 8. Continuous learning like stay updated. Programming languages evolve, so keep up with new features, best practices, and changes in the language. Explore related technologies. As you grow more comfortable, explore related technologies and paradigms, e.g., front-end frameworks if you are learning JavaScript. 9. Resources like documentation. Regularly consult the official documentation for detailed information and examples. Books and courses. Consider reading books or taking online courses that offer structured learning paths and expert insights. Communities. Engage with communities, forums, Stack Overflow, local meetups, to seek help, share knowledge, and stay motivated. By following this structured approach, you can build a strong foundation in any programming language and continue to develop your skills over time.